Let's make a string of pearls inspired plant made out of beads. You're probably thinking this one was really expensive to make, but it actually wasn't. So normally beads are the most expensive part of this project, but these are $4.99 and $5.99 each at regular price. The pot I used was the most expensive thing, and you'll understand why when you see it later. The moss, the foam, and the floral wire aren't too expensive, but always be on the lookout for deals. I started by cutting my floral wire. I cut pieces that were each about 10 to 12 inches long, because I used a bigger pot that's about 4 inches in diameter. I created a loop at the end of my wire to secure the beads. I ended up making most of my strands about 7 inches long, with a few of them being about 5 inches long. I wanted a fuller appearance for my plant, so I made about 39 strands. I created a loop with my round nose pliers so that the beads would be secured on the other end. I cut the extra wire with wire cutters and left about an inch or two to stick into the foam. The piece of foam was too big, so I cut that down to fit into the pot. I put some moss in there to help secure the foam and also hide it. Now on to the fun part. I just put the strands into the foam and didn't use any glue. If you're worried about the security of the strands, you can always add glue. For most of the strands, I had to bend them down to create the shape I wanted. After adding about 30 strands, I noticed some gaps in the plant and wanted to create more strands. I made these ones about 5 inches because I was short on beads. And there's the finished string of pearls beaded plant.